Most visitors think you need a rental car for the Everglades, but a seasonal free trolley solves that problem if you know the schedule. Before you hike, download the GO Miami-Dade Transit app. You don't need a physical card. You can tap to pay, and the system caps your daily fare automatically, making travel affordable. For the best urban wilderness, head to Oleta River State Park. It is Florida's largest urban park, featuring miles of off-road trails through dense mangroves right in the middle of North Miami. Getting there requires a connection. From downtown, take the Metro to Omni Terminal, then transfer to Bus 108. It drops you at Northeast 163rd Street, just steps from the park entrance. If you prefer island hiking, Virginia Key offers coastal trails with skyline views. It creates a stark contrast between the wild beaches and the city towering in the distance. Access is surprisingly easy from the financial district. Catch Route B, Bus 102, from Brickell Station. It runs across the Rickenbacker Causeway and stops directly at the North Point Trails. Now, the Everglades. Regular city buses do not go there. A rideshare from downtown will cost you over $60 one way, which destroys a budget. However, from January through April, the city of Homestead runs a free national parks trolley. This is the only affordable public access to the Everglades and Biscayne National Park. To reach the trolley, take the Bus 38 Busway Max from Dadeland South Metro Rail Station to Homestead. It's a long ride, about 60 minutes, but it connects perfectly with the weekend trolley schedule. A critical warning for Miami hiking: seasonality matters. May through October is mosquito season and dangerously hot. Always bring double the water you think you need. Here is your complete summary for 3 distinct hiking days in Miami using only public transit. Go explore the tropics. Subscribe for more transit hiking guides.